All right, we're gonna look at the front view first. I'm gonna cut the power on. I'm gonna go through the modes now. Those are so bright. Even the ends of them light up. The end of this side is red, the other side is white. Very nice setup. Very powerful. If you're looking for use some bright emergency lights for the roof, I suggest you try these right here out. These have so much functionality to them, so many modes. The brightness is insane, and you have 360-degree light source. My son-in-law is gonna love these when I give them to him. I love them. Check them out. I believe you'll love them too.